Hey guys, it's Hye-Felicia here, not by Felicia. So, as you can see, today, Quincy and I,
I'm back,
are trying to do, well, we're trying. We're gonna try to do the 20 chicken leg challenge that was created by Eating Challenge Boys, and BLOVE kind of like brought it up and challenged everyone. So that's where we are, and he has 20 legs from Crown Chicken, and I have 20 legs from Popeyes. I'm just showing y'all. Look how deformed some of these legs look. What is that? Anyway, I don't know what to do. So we're gonna say a quick blessing. You wanna bless the food, buddy?
You're so silly, on it.
Go on, go.
You want me to bless it?
Yes.
Lord bless and sanctify this food for the nourishment of our bodies. We ask in Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. There's something rolling on the yeah.
Well, let's get to this chicken, man. Before my chicken get cold.
All right, we got some of my Bro Lips hot sauce right here, y'all. I got like this much left of my hot sauce. We got some honey just in case, and we got some sweet chili sauce. Got some sweet heat from Popeyes.
Well, what you rinsing yours down with, man?
Oh, I'm rinsing mine down with some mint, my mint sparkling mineral water. Mint, yes, mint.
You guys eat mint, drink mint.
Yeah, they do. And he has Minute Maid lemonade.
Minute Maid lemonade.
I hope it makes you burp. Okay, guys. So we're gonna start. What's the time on here? Cause y'all. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so we don't have. This may be like 30 minutes. I don't know. The challenge 30 minutes. But anyway, we're going to. I don't know how to do a countdown in the thing, so we're gonna start now. Tamia, you want to put the countdown?
On my phone?
Yeah. Just to see how long we take.
Till we tap out.
Yeah, till we tap out.
Okay. Wait. How many minutes?
30.
Start.
You got it.
Start. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm gonna start off right here. Get some of the sweet panchi.
Y'all, I got half regular and half spicy. $30 for this. You gotta clean the bone too.
I don't know about 20.
You struggling with one. Oh.
You gotta clean it up.
Who y'all think will win? Team Fee or Team Q? Who you think?
I ain't even got to guess.
Numero dos. What?
She can eat.
Shut up. What's your problem? Steve, who do you think I win? Is that? So, we're on the same time?
I'm gonna try one of these Popeyes, man.
Good.
I really gotta be empty to eat 20 of these, or gotta be. Should I let you finish my sentence?
You start on mine.
Well, at least that's what this is.
Now,
I had to have the munchies. You know when is this on?
1 o'clock.
As Steve say, run around in the street. I had to work up an appetite to eat 20 of these.
Number 4. Yo, go in your chicken.
I'm just trying to switch up my flavors, man, to keep my taste buds interested. You feel me?
Tamika over here waiting for the leftover.
I'm waiting, don't leave me at the time.
What did you eat?
4. Let's try with some honey. This is my honey from down south. Number 5. Team Fifi or Team Q?
Let me try some of the different sauce, man. What sauce is that right here?
Hot sauce. I mean, hot sauce. What?
What?
Lips.
Let me count my boy.
I'll buy some more.
Maybe that.
I think that's 6. Dang. Look at this one. Try this sweet. Mmm. I don't know what I'm saying.
Try some of your honey, honey.
Sure, honey. Uh-oh. Y'all's gonna be burping and stuff in here. I have to make some room.
Right over there?
Mm-hmm. Need something. Excuse me. I'm gonna get one of your chickens now.
Hmm?
I'm gonna get one of your chickens now. Uh-oh. Excuse me.
Chopping up? Soon come for me.
Team Q or Team C? What you about to tap out, y'all?
I don't even know if she be putting this food out, y'all.
In my gut. Why are you looking at me like that? Is that right?
Peer pressure, y'all. I'm trying not to tap out. I'm trying to hang in there. But geez, man.
Don't put a lot of sauce on it. It's gonna get you fuller. You know what? It's gonna get you fuller. Okay, I know we.
But I like the sauce.
Oh yeah, you like that.
Like I said, it keeps my taste buds interested.
No, I'm looking at this piece of chicken right here. I don't even, what the freak is this? And I got another one like that, kind of. What is this?
That was the off chickens.
I said I was gonna get one of your chickens, right? This is one of his chickens. It's from Crown. Let me see what it tastes like. It do smell like, tastes like my mom would say, adobo.
Yeah.
Excuse me. It needs some seasoning. You cleaning your bones?
Cleaning them enough. I don't know about all this, y'all.
You giving up? Don't give up.
Oh, not yet, but 20? Let me get some of this Minute Maid.
It ain't gonna make you burp.
I don't need a burp. I need some of the rest of the chicken then.
Let me see how many I did already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did 8. Woo! Like Steve would say, Lord of mercy. Right, Steve?
You wanna help me?
19 minutes.
I'm gonna hold one down here. Where I eat down here, okay? Got me, probably?
Alright,
let me give it another pop right.
Come here.
Let me try some left over here, man. Maybe something to kick it.
She ate your straw. She got this
You want them all?
wow.
Put it out. Why you just ate it? You dumb. Alright, y'all, I'm slowing down.
I'm trying, y'all. This is hard. I don't know how BLOVE ate. What she ate? In the teens. Southern snacker.
Who ate
snacker.
that?
BLOVE.
BLOVE? Tell me your trick, BLOVE. You didn't eat nothing all day, right? I messed up and ate lunch trying to do this.
I ate salad, but I didn't eat enough. Then my sugar dropped to 79.
I ate a big steak and cheese with extra meat.
You shouldn't eat that. You shouldn't have never did that. You shouldn't have never did that.
Shouldn't have.
That's what.
Shouldn't have.
That's what Timmy used to say when she was little. What happened? How you say that again?
How you spell that?
She said.
You shouldn't.
She used to say, "You shouldn't have never did that."
I think Aaliyah did that.
Yeah.
Excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry. We can't edit out the burps. It goes somewhere sweet. We can't edit this, so y'all gonna hear burping. If you don't like it, too bad. Mm-mm. I have some sauce on that pan.
You see how many bones I got upon here?
Go to me the camera.
Oh man, I'm not doing too good.
Keep drinking.
Hey, eating all this chicken, it's fucking dry.
Stop it.
No sides. I keep trying to.
Should have got sides.
Gravy would have been bomb. And dipping it in mashed potatoes.
I ain't seen all that.
I don't know how she does it.
You done?
I hope y'all better on fee. Ooh-wee.
You done, honey, for real?
I don't have a bottomless pit, honey.
What you do? You can eat. You really can eat, y'all.
Come on, 15 more minutes.
I need assistance when I eat. When I'm really hungry. I need something to. I don't know. But I can't do it, honey. What number you want?
10.
No.
Let me see.
All right, I'm about to go back in there. I'm going in.
This is mine.
I'm going in.
$10, like I said.
This is number 10?
You're on 11.
Oh.
Continue going on.
Fighting, man.
You don't have to do it, honey.
I know. I'll force myself to do this.
What if people, what you said?
I feel like I'm really gonna force myself to do this.
What if people bet on you?
That's one bet y'all just lost. If y'all watch her channel, bet on Fee. Y'all know she can eat.
I don't know. That's about chicken.
You know what, y'all? I ain't even gonna act like I can do this.
I just can't give up now.
I'm giving up now. Not now, but right now.
Right now. Right now.
I can't even finish this last bite, y'all.
We gotta finish that like I can't get it out.
I can't even do this, man.
No, I've been feeding for some chicken actually. Oh, Lord of mercy.
I said the 10 leg challenge.
Vente. 20. Excuse me.
Well, y'all obviously see that I can't hang. You're going in over there.
But look at these chicken, y'all. Look at this.
Eat that one.
Look at this chicken. Look at this. What is that?
A schleg.
And what? What? And look at this. Well, kids have leftovers. Uh-oh. Excuse me.
Yeah, can you hurry up? Sure. 10 more minutes.
No. I just made room. I'm gonna put some sweet chili. Honey, you done?
Yes, I am. It's been real, y'all. But 20 legs? Nah. Straight chicken just gets boring to me after a while. So I try to switch it up. But don't eat it here.
I was watching this guy do it, and he said, he had a hard time getting 20 legs. He went to one place and the lady said, you want 20 legs? She wanted to give it to him. But she said, what if the customer was behind him want some legs? What?
You gotta find someone else.
Yeah,
sold out.
Lazy. Some people are lazy. I will write. Y'all know I be on that Yelp. I be writing my little reviews. I forgot that girl name. I did my order. I said, oh, her name is
Yeah.
what's her name?
I'm sweating and stuff, y'all. And I ain't even doing nothing.
I'm looking at this right here. I'm not doing this. I already know I failed, but I'm not. Those three right there, no.
I gotta take a breather. How many minutes I got left for my 30 minutes to be up? 9? I got time for one more.
It's okay, y'all don't have to eat anymore.
I at least want to make 10, man. But I gotta go to Popeyes for my last one.
I need something to drink.
I need something to smoke.
What?
That's the only way. Oh, you know, you said drink, I said smoke.
You gotta hush.
Now that ain't healthy.
Tell you to me.
See? I need a hunger booster for this.
Mango 18.
Do y'all know what the hunger booster is?
Yup.
What's a hunger booster? If you know what my hunger booster is,
Put it down in the comments.
leave it in the comments.
Yeah.
First one get it right, got something for you.
Whoa. Whoa, y'all, sorry. I just made room. Prada. Oh, Lord, Prada acting like she,
Throw that out, y'all.
You got it. You can do it, honey. You can do it. Root for him.
Let's go. 8 minutes.
No, I'm gonna be knocked out sleep. Guess what? I gotta take the 606 train tomorrow.
Guess what? You ain't getting up.
I am. I'm getting up. Don't do that.
I'm on break.
Don't do that.
Don't do what?
I'm getting up at 5 o'clock.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you done, honey? You look so cute when you eat. You don't like that.
That's a good little tumble over. Yep. You silly.
You too.
Alright, y'all.
I gotta do the no habit challenge.
I'm tapping out.
It got me. It said, don't fuss at Facebook. Say, don't fuss at Aaliyah. I mean, Tamia. No, don't say nothing for Tamia. Don't fuss at her. They want me to say little bites.
Take human bites, honey.
If y'all have any no habits y'all want me to do, y'all don't want to see me do.
Tell her no moo munching.
FaceTime said, don't be rocking. I was like, yo.
Y'all say my baby be moo munching?
Moo munching?
Yeah.
What's that?
How you moo munching?
Oh, yeah.
My baby moo munching, y'all. How she moo munch? Let me see. Let me get a piece of it. How you doing?
Don't do that.
What's your?
Don't do that.
What's your signature?
What's a moo? Oh, cow. That he did.
That's how you do it, y'all? Let me try it.
That's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny. Do it. Do it.
How you do it? That's my baby moo munch.
Yo.
Moo munch.
No, y'all. For real. When I eat, I guess my tongue goes out. Somebody said, can you say I eat like a cow? Then they say I look like I eat like a giraffe. What's the first animal they say I eat like?
Go.
So, anyway, another person said, can you not lick your tongue out when you eat? What you want me to do? Gonna do? Excuse me.
Yeah.
Whoa. All right.
Oh, man.
Y'all.
All right, that was cool. I did 10, y'all.
What time is it?
10, that's it.
What time that thing say? Huh? All right, let me see what I could eat.
Tapping out.
You tapping out. You working for me? I need to do it for the girls.
Do it for the girls. I got the itis now.
I must have had some biscuits.
I got the cluckitis.
How many I get?
I don't see how y'all do this, yo. You almost there.
But the honey is good.
You almost there.
I'm not doing this. I'm not eating this retarded chicken leg. I'm not eating this retarded chicken leg. I'm not eating that. No. Okay. I think this is our last one, guys.
I think you got one more in you.
No.
Let's go, Fee.
No.
I think you can do 18.
Mm-mm.
What number you want? Let me see. Let me count your bones if I need.
No, because he was in my chicken.
That's crazy.
14.
14. Tap it out.
I said she gonna eat 15.
Tap it out.
Make it to
14. I think I only did like 10, yo.
I can't eat no more.
That's crazy.
I did 10.
Guessed that.
10, 14.
I said 10 or 11, and then you go.
Anybody doing over 10? Y'all good. I was gonna say something else, but y'all good.
What you was gonna say?
I don't want B-Love to get mad at me. Good job, B-Love.
A lot of people did over. A lot of people.
Good job, everybody that did
So
10 and mutter.
Y'all Y'all done?
I'm done.
I want some biscuits though.
You don't have any. Are you
I
done?
had biscuits. Yeah. So guys, y'all, we tried.
My bad.
But at least I beat him. So you know, as You Love Shiny would say, the peanut gallery is ready to eat. But anyway,
My challenge coming soon.
Tamia and Aaliyah and Steve.
How many edibles can you eat
Uh-huh.
without passing out?
Yo,
Somebody gonna die.
edibles.
Edibles.
I ain't messing with nobody edibles. Okay?
Edibles.
Because if y'all knew what happened to me when I tried that.
That's what I should have did. I should have ate edible first before this. The pre-eat.
Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And we'll be coming out with another video on the Q Black Heart, the ones that wanted to see him. So we'll be coming out with a video on that because
Appreciate the request. Don't forget I got y'all.
He got y'all.
Did you figure out
No, but anyway, he got y'all.
I don't even know what I was about to say.
I don't know. Yo, Steve, why you laughing? Yo.
Did you figure out, you know, our people that the first Black Heart, the Q, the first one. Did you get those people, that person's name down already?
No.
No? You gotta get on your job.
All right. Anyway.
Got people waiting on their prize.
Don't forget to like. He's giving how much?
Hmm?
How much? Only the people that commented within the first 48 hours. How much?
I don't know. What to tell you?
I don't know. Anyway.
Surprise.
Surprise.
It'll be worth it though. Coming from me.
Anyway. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and smile. Put a smile on your face. Smile. Make somebody's day, because you never know. You know? You never know what one is going through. Okay? Bye-bye. Peace, stop it.
Finally.
How y'all gave up on?
Mom, keep passing one.
Nigga, I did 10.
Pass me one.
Fia, I ate
Mom,
14.
pass me one.
A chicken? This kind?
Chicken up here, y'all. Chicken McGrath. What up, Lily?
Everybody ready for some chicken,
A
y'all?
lot of chicken.
It's too much chicken. I'm done.
Woo!
What the chicken is this?
What?
Chicken.
I could actually use some biscuits with honey.
I can't use
I
nothing.
want some chicken.
I ain't getting no chicken. You gotta go eat that dog food. So how many I did?
14, honey. 14. 14 for you, 10 for me. I wasn't too far behind you, honey.
Bye, guys.